Hi everyone. Today I'm talking about something thousands of parents are dealing with in the UK, special guardianship orders, and what happens when the special guardian suddenly cuts your contact with your children. This video explains the facts, the law, how the SGO holder can breach that law, and what you can actually do about it. So here's the real situation. A parent has children under a special guardianship order, usually living with a family member, in this case, the sister. The court originally set up regular contact, maybe one full day a month, or even more later on. The parent does everything the court asked, completes courses, moves to a safer area, makes changes, stays in touch, stays stable. And then something happens. The parent raises a safeguarding concern about the children. Instead of investigating properly, the special guardian reacts by cutting contact. They reduce it from 1 full day to 2 hours, without the SGO team reviewing it and without court approval. The parent is now begging to see the children, struggling for updates, and has no clear reason for why contact was reduced. This is happening far too often, and it's not how an SGO is supposed to work. Let's make the law really clear. A special guardian does have parental responsibility, but it is not unlimited. They can make everyday decisions, but they cannot override a court-ordered contact plan, reduce contact drastically without evidence, punish a parent for raising a safeguarding concern, block communication or updates, make major decisions without the SGO team's involvement. The Children Act 1989 says that a special guardian must promote and encourage the child's relationship with the parent, follow the contact arrangements set by the court, work cooperatively unless contact poses risk, not make emotional decisions or retaliate. Contact under an SGO is still a court order. A special guardian cannot rewrite it by themselves. Only the court, or a full SGO review, can lawfully change contact. This is where the system breaks down. When a special guardian cuts contact from a full day to 2 hours because the parent made a safeguarding report, they are not acting in the child's welfare, not following the original court order, not promoting the child's relationship with the parent, acting outside their legal authority, potentially retaliating emotionally, which is not allowed. And when the SGO support team fails to step in, that is also a breach, because they have a duty to review contact if concerns arise. Raising a safeguarding issue is a parent protecting their child. It is not a reason to punish them. If contact is being reduced because of the special guardian's personal feelings or anger, not because of actual risk, that is legally wrong. So what can you do if this happens? Keycap 1. Request an immediate SGO contact review. Write to the SGO support team asking for a formal review. They must investigate both your safeguarding concerns and the sudden change in contact. Keycap 2. Make a formal complaint. If the special guardian reduced contact without the team's approval, that is a valid complaint and will be taken seriously. Keycap 3. Apply to courts to vary the SGO contact order. You can apply to restore the original contact plan or increase contact. You do not need permission to apply for more contact. Keycap 4. Apply to discharge the SGO if things are severe. If the special guardian is acting against the child's welfare and blocking your relationship, you can apply to discharge the SGO. This is harder, but you can do it if you made changes, you completed everything required, the SGO is no longer working. Keycap 5. Keep everything in writing. Messages, emails, refusals, reduced contact, these all help you show the court exactly what's happening. Special guardianship is supposed to protect children, not erase parents. A special guardian cannot legally punish you or cut contact on their own. You have more rights than you've been told. If you need help with letters, complaints, or a court application, I can help you step by step.